Could the Galaxy Z Fold 7 finally fix one of the biggest flaws of the Fold series? Samsung's Galaxy Fold series has taken the smartphone world by storm since its debut, with each new release pushing the boundaries of what a foldable phone can do. However, one flaw has remained consistent across all 6 generations of the device: the crease. While it's become less noticeable with every new version, the crease still lingers on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and many are wondering if the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 will finally tackle this issue head-on. If you've ever used a foldable phone, you've probably noticed the crease in the middle of the screen. It's caused by a combination of the display material, the hinge mechanism, and of course the repeated folds that come with using a foldable device. While other foldable phones, especially those from Chinese companies, have managed to minimize this crease to the point where it's barely visible, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has continued to feature a noticeable crease, especially on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, there's good news for those who are hoping for a smoother, more seamless foldable phone experience. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have a noticeably fainter crease, though it may still be visible under certain lighting conditions. This could be thanks to an improvement in the materials and design, as the Fold 7 is rumored to be based on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a limited release that was only available in South Korea and China. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition was praised by those lucky enough to get their hands on it, with many reporting that the crease was much less noticeable compared to previous models. The key difference: the Special Edition reportedly uses Samsung's ultra-flexible glass, UFG, a higher strength material that offers better impact resistance compared to the ultra-thin glass, UTG, used in other foldable devices. If the Galaxy Z Fold 7 adopts this same UFG technology, it could mark a significant improvement in the foldable phone design. But that's not all the Fold 7 has in store. According to the latest leaks, the device will also feature a larger cooling system, a more durable and smoother hinge mechanism, and potentially bigger inner and main displays. These upgrades could make the Galaxy Z Fold 7 not just a more refined version of its predecessors, but a true powerhouse in the foldable phone market. One of the most exciting rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its camera. The Fold 7 is said to feature a 200 megapixel main camera, a major jump from previous generations. This could put Samsung's foldable phone on par with some of the best camera phones on the market, making it an attractive option for those who want top-tier performance in both hardware and photography. However, not everything about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is perfect. There are also some downsides to consider. One of the biggest changes could be the removal of S Pen support. For those who love the versatility of the S Pen, this could be a deal-breaker. Samsung has recently shown signs of scaling back its support for the stylus, as evidenced by the downgraded stylus bundled with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If the Z Fold 7 follows suit and drops S Pen support, it could turn some users away, especially those who rely on the stylus for productivity and creativity. The removal of S Pen support could also have a negative impact on sales. Samsung's foldable phones have always stood out for their compatibility with the stylus, and taking that feature away might disappoint loyal fans and potential customers. All in all, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks like it could be a massive improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold 6, with a more refined design, better materials, and impressive new features. However, whether or not it will live up to the hype remains to be seen. We'll have to wait for Samsung's official announcement to see how it stacks up in the foldable phone market. If you're excited to see what the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has to offer, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Did Samsung just pull an Apple-style marketing move with the Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen? That's the big question. Many people are frustrated or confused about why Samsung decided to remove Bluetooth and Air actions from the S Pen. At first glance, it might seem like a cost-cutting decision, but what if there's a bigger strategy behind it? Let's take a step back and look at Apple's history. Apple has a habit of making odd design choices that spark endless discussions. Think about the Magic Mouse. It has its charging port at the bottom, which means you can't use it while charging. It's frustrating, right? But despite that, people still buy it, and more importantly, everyone talks about it. This kind of move keeps Apple products in the conversation, making them even more recognizable. Now, let's apply the same logic to Samsung. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a nearly perfect phone. It has a powerful processor, a stunning display, and an improved camera system. Everything about it is polished to a high degree, but there's one small issue: perfection can sometimes be boring. If a device is too refined, it doesn't spark discussions. A phone that is just great doesn't generate the same level of buzz as a phone with a controversial or unexpected twist. So, what if Samsung deliberately removed Bluetooth from the S Pen to create conversation? Think about it. Samsung likely analyzed user data and realized that very few people were actually using Air actions. If they had to remove something to make the S25 Ultra a trending topic, The S Pen's Bluetooth functionality was an easy target. The majority of users who want this phone will still buy it, even without Bluetooth in the S Pen. But now, the removal itself has turned into a talking point, keeping the S25 Ultra in the spotlight. This move also gives Samsung an opportunity to bring back Bluetooth in a future release. Imagine if Samsung later introduces a new Bluetooth-enabled S Pen for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Suddenly, they've reignited the conversation, keeping the device relevant for an even longer period. It's a strategy Apple has used before, removing a feature, creating controversy, and then bringing it back later, often at an additional cost to consumers. Of course, this is just a theory. We can't say for sure if Samsung intentionally made this decision as a marketing stunt, but it's not out of character. Over the years, Samsung has taken inspiration from Apple in various ways, from software features to product naming strategies. A move like this wouldn't be surprising. At the end of the day, whether it was a strategic decision or just a practical one, the missing Bluetooth feature has made the Galaxy S25 Ultra a hot topic. People are debating whether it was a smart move or a misstep, and that's exactly the kind of attention that keeps a device in the public eye. What do you think? Did Samsung remove Bluetooth on purpose to generate buzz, or was it just a cost-cutting decision? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Can Samsung finally perfect the foldable phone? That's the big question as leaks about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 start to appear. Now that the Galaxy S25 has been released, Samsung fans are turning their attention to what's next. If the latest rumors are true, Samsung could be bringing some of the biggest improvements yet to its foldable lineup. One of the most exciting updates is the display. The crease on foldable screens has always been a major concern, but Samsung might have found a way to nearly eliminate it on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Reports suggest that the crease will be almost gone, meaning users will barely notice it during daily use. While it might still be slightly visible under certain lighting, this could be the biggest step forward in foldable display technology. If Samsung pulls this off, it could set a new standard for foldable smartphones. However, one thing that might not change is screen brightness. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 are both rumored to feature peak brightness levels of 2,600 nits, which is the same as previous models. While that's still one of the brightest displays available, some users were hoping for an upgrade. But Samsung seems to be focusing on other aspects of the user experience instead. One of these improvements could be in audio quality. According to reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have better loudspeakers, delivering clearer and more immersive sound. Performance-wise, Samsung is making sure these foldable phones are more powerful than ever. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are expected to come with 12 GB of RAM as standard. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 will likely offer storage options of 256 GB and 512 GB, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could go up to 1 TB. As for processors, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could use the Exynos 2500 chip, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip. These upgrades mean faster performance, better multitasking, and overall smoother experience. Durability is another key area of improvement. Samsung is reportedly introducing a more refined hinge design, making the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 even more durable. A smoother hinge will not only improve the feel of opening and closing the device, but also make it more resistant to wear over time. However, one area that might not see much improvement is battery capacity. According to leaks, neither phone will get a bigger battery, which might be disappointing for users who are hoping for longer battery life. But there is some good news. Samsung could be increasing charging speeds. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might support 45-watt fast charging, meaning you'll be able to power up your device more quickly. Both models are also rumored to have larger vapor chamber cooling systems, which would help keep temperatures lower during intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. When it comes to cameras, Samsung might be making a big change. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, a significant upgrade from previous models. The other cameras are expected to have the same specifications as last year.